Hello, and welcome to today's video about a new game called Cat and Mouse. This game is very simple, and it is for 2 players. So to start, you need a board like this in 2 pieces, one for cat and one for mouse. Cat's goal is to basically make it so mouse cannot move. For example, if mouse was to play, cat wins here because these 2 points that I've covered with yellow squares are its only legal moves, and either way, mouse gets captured by cat because cat can move on to the same square. There is a strategy for one player, whether it is cat or whether it is mouse, to win every single time. I'll give you a little bit of time to think about this. Who do you think will win? Pause the video if you need to. Well, with correct strategy, cat will always win. Whether mouse plays however, cat will always be able to win. So let's take an example game. Mouse will go first, going here. Cat must move, so they decide to chase mouse out of this square. Mouse runs away, and cat moves to this square. Mouse has 3 legal moves, but 2 of them will lead mouse getting taken by cat. So mouse has to go here. But what do you know? Mouse has been captured because wherever mouse moves, cat will be able to move onto the same square. So, what is cat's strategy? Well, whatever mouse does, cat has to make sure they stay on the bottom 2 points, which are here and here. If cat can do this, then we can pretty much always force mouse into a scenario like this where we will know cat will win. There is no way for mouse to force cat out because if it tries to move near, it will simply get taken. If mouse tries to do repeating moves, this also won't work because 1, it's ridiculous, as you saw here, but that was just a poor example. Let's say cat moves, mouse moves, cat moves, mouse moves, and so on. Cat moves, mouse moves. Cat will just be able to move on to the middle vertice and win. I'm sorry there was a short video today, but I do hope to see you tomorrow for Hexapon, which is a bit more complicated, but still easy to pick apart. Thanks for watching. This was Abandoned Ball Pit. See you tomorrow.